Hi everyone, welcome back in our today's session. Yesterday we revised community helpers. Today also we will revise community helpers, but in some different way. We will sing a song of community helpers. So are you guys ready? Let's start.
Hello everyone, I am a bus driver. Driver, driver, what do you do? I drive the bus and pick you too. Hello everyone, I am a helper. Helper, helper, what do you do? I help you doing other work too. Hi, I am a sweeper. Sweeper, sweeper, what do you do? I clean your school and surroundings too. Hello everyone. Hello students. I am your teacher. Teacher, teacher, what do you do? I teach reading and writing too. Hello, I am a fireman. Fireman, fireman, what do you do? I help fight fires that might hurt you. Hello, I am a policeman. Policeman, policeman, what do you do? I help you stay safe and catch thieves too. Hello, I am a postman. Postman, postman, what do you do? I deliver the post and parcels too. Hello, I am a doctor. Doctor, doctor, what do you do? I help when you are sick with a cold and flu. Hello, I am a nurse. Nurse, nurse, what do you do? I give you medicine and take care of you. Now let's play a quiz. In this quiz,
I will show you some flashcards of tools. You have to tell me who uses these tools.
this is an injection. बच्चों बताओ ये किसका टूल है? Yes, doctor का. Doctor uses this tool. Very good. Now tell me, which tool is this? This is a fire extinguisher. So tell me children, who uses this tool? बोलो बोलो जल्दी. Yes, fireman. Fireman uses this tool. Now this is a torch. Tell me, who uses this torch? Jaldi jaldi. Yes, security guard. Security guard uses this tool. This is a green board. Now tell me, who uses this green board? जल्दी बताओ. Policeman, postman, no. Teacher. Yes, a teacher uses this green board. Very good children.
After this revision, it's time for worksheet solution.
In this worksheet, you had to circle the pictures of community helpers. First, we have a dancer, so we will not circle it. Then, we have picture of a fireman. Fireman is a community helper, so we will circle it. Next, we have picture of a policeman. He is also a community helper, so we will circle it. Next, we have picture of a nurse. Nurse is also a community helper. So, we will circle it. Next, we have picture of a boy playing football. So, we will not circle it. And last, we have picture of a teacher. Teacher is also a community helper. So, we will circle it. I hope you also did the same.
So kids, always respect our helpers. Okay? Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.